All right, guys, let's look at the next student task statement called matching equations. It says match the equation to each of these situations. Be prepared to share your reasoning. Number 1 says the water level in a reservoir is now 52 meters. If this was a 23% increase, what was the initial depth? Okay, so let's do some quick annotations. It is a 23% increase, which means that it's 23% more than the original amount. And it's saying that now it is 52 meters, okay? So I want to look for the equation that shows that it's 23% more than 100%, okay? So remember, 100% as a decimal will be 1. So if we had to add 23%, which I'm going to write this to the side so you guys can see this. So 100% plus 23% would be 123%. If I wanted to turn 123% into a decimal, I would divide it by 100 and it would give me 1 and 2300. So I'm looking for an equation that shows that decimal. Do you guys see it? If you guess this one, you're absolutely correct. So this one goes right here. Okay. Now the next one, it says the snow is now 52 inches deep. If this was a 77% decrease, what was the initial depth? Now, which I'll highlight in a different color. Let's do green. All right. This is 77% decrease, which means that we're actually subtracting 100 minus 77, which would be 23%. Okay. I'm looking for an equation that would model that. Well, let's turn 23% into a decimal, which would be 0.23 or 0.23. And do you guys see a equation that shows that decimal amount? If you guys guess the first one, you are absolutely correct. All right. So the key thing that I'm going to write down, I'm going to tell you guys, write this down in your notes, is that 100% is the original amount. Okay. And I want you also to put this 100% is equal to 1.00 as a decimal. All right. That's going to help you guys a lot whenever you're talking about percent increase or percent decrease, because you automatically know either I'm taking away from one or I'm adding to one. All right, guys. If you have any questions about this question, feel free to visit your manager's Google Meet session.